What's up everybody, welcome back to Level Up Classics. Today, we're going to change our dead 2032 coin battery out of our Honda Civic key fob. If you have a Honda, your key most likely looks like this. Before we jump in, if you haven't yet, hit that subscribe button and help support my channel. So, if you need to change your battery on the key fob, it's very simple. On the back of the key, you're going to see a little button, and you're going to slide that button and you're going to pull out your emergency key. Your emergency key is going to essentially be your tool that you're going to use. So, when you take your key, you're going to look at your key fob. You'll see a little groove in the middle. You're going to shove the key in the middle and you're going to give it a nice firm twist. When you twist it, your key is going to separate and then you'll have access to your battery. When you have the key fob open, you're going to take your battery out and then you're going to have the hardest part to do here. The hardest part about this process is getting the new coin battery out of the child-safe packaging. So, once you have your battery free, you're going to just stick it back in the key fob and then you're going to press firmly your key fob back together, and it's gonna snap in multiple places and it's gonna close back up. Once you're done, all you do is put your emergency key back in and you're all set to go. These key fobs, they run out of battery quite often and the car will notify you when you need to change your battery. And this is also going to apply for other generations as well, the 9th gen Civic and the Accord, the Odyssey, and other Honda vehicles. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more content to come.